Welcome back. So we are doing linear inequalities exercise 6.1. This is question number 1. Let's see. So 24x is less than 100. So can I take 24 other side? To remember, only numbers can be taken right or left side in denominator. Okay, we can never take variables x or y. We will see gradually in next question. So this is 100 by 24. So if I cut it by 2, so it will be 50 by 12. So it is less than 50 by 12. Which is how much? X is less than, if you divide it, it will be 4 1 by 6 in mixed fraction. Okay, this is possible answer. But here saying x is a natural number. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are natural numbers. So our condition is x should be less than 1. So what are the natural numbers less than 1? It will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Less than 4 and 1 by 6. Can I include 5? I cannot, because 5 natural number will be more than this. So that will not be included. This is my first answer. Number B. They are saying x is an integer. So remember, integer can be both sides of zeros. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. Or left side, it may be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are called integers. Okay. And the condition that we need to follow is x is less than 4, 1 by 6. Correct? So in order to follow this, I have to consider all the integers but less than 4. Okay? So what will be the values? It will be actually 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5 I will not take. Correct? And less than, everything less than 4. So it may be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Because we cannot write all the integers less than 4, we can represent it by dots. Dot means it is in continuation. Means there are many more numbers before this also. Okay. So this is my answer for integers. Correct. So you already know integers means both side on 0. Both side on zeros. Plus side on the right side, all plus integers, and left side, all negative integers. So I have included it, but make sure it is less than 4 1 by 6. This is first answer. Let's do second one. This is exactly similar question, but with a negative sign. To remember, we cannot take minus other side just like that. Remember. Okay. So we try to make x side always positive. If I have minus 7, say I say is more than minus 15. Okay. But I want to change the sign. So what I will do, I want to make it plus 7. And this also I want to make plus 7. So what will happen if I am changing sign? This greater will become lesser. Does it make sense? Right? Because minus 7 is more than minus 15, but 7 is less than 15. So whenever we make minus both side or we change sign both side, then inequality changes. Always remember, if you have minus a is less than minus b, so it will become plus a, and plus b if you want to switch, it will become more than. If you want to switch sign both side, remember. So I want to switch sign both side. Correct? So this minus I am trying to make, let me show you once again. This minus I am trying to make 12x plus, and this I am trying to make minus 30. So I have changed sign. So this greater will become lesser. Understood? So if we want to change sign both side, inequality changes. Correct? Once we have positive on x side, always, then this number can go other side. So x is less than minus 30 by 12. Okay. inequalities in this chapter, negative number can never go other side because it may change the sign of inequality and you will get confused. So it's better first to change into positive and then take it other side. So now this is my question. Okay, the positive of x is very easy to handle, correct? So if I cut it by 2, so 2 6 are and 2 15, correct? It will cut by 3, minus 5 and 2. So I am getting minus 5 by 2. So x is less than minus 2.5. This is my condition on x, correct? But here what they are asking, first part x is natural and second part x is integer. So let me do first part first. X is natural. So all natural numbers which are below minus 2. What will be the answer? So below minus 2 natural numbers are not possible because natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. They start with the positive only. So there is no natural number which is x less than 2.5. So इसमें कोई भी आंसर नहीं होगा. There will be no answer. Okay. Second part, they are saying x is integer. So we have to take all the integers which are less than minus 2. So what will be that? Less than minus 2. The first number which is less than minus 2.5 is minus 3. Correct? Then less than minus 3 is minus 4. Then minus 5 and so on. Because it's hard to write all of them. So smaller than this is minus 3 first number. And then minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So this is my answer B. Let's see next one. So here is the third question. So it's pretty simple. X is already positive. We don't need to do anything. Less than 3 will go other side. 7 plus 3. So 5x is less than 10. Correct? This 5 will go this side. This side. So x is less than 10 by 5. So x is less than 2 because it will cut. So this is my condition for x. But what are they asking? That x is integer and x is real, B part. So if we see A part, x is integer. Correct? So we want integer. So what are the integers less than 2? It's pretty simple. Less than 2. See, there is no equal sign. So less than 2. First integer is what? 1. Then comes 0. Then comes minus 1. Then minus 2 and so on. So these dots are just showing that there are many more to come. B part. X is real. Guys, what is the meaning of real? Real means all possible numbers. It has even decimals, fractions, everything is included in real numbers. So it's almost impossible to write each and every number in brackets. Okay, so whenever they're asking for real numbers, so what do we do? X is equal to, we write all the numbers. You see, this is 0, this is 1, let me show you, this is 2, this is 3. Minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Minus infinity to infinity. This is number line. So we need all the real numbers less than 2. Correct? 2 is not included. Not included means whole. All the numbers less than. So for all real numbers, we write this number and this number which we need. And we put these type of brackets. Not curly brackets. Okay? These type of brackets means all the numbers in between are also there. Minus infinity to 2. जितने भी number इसके बीच में हैं, somewhere here, the decimal numbers, the fractional numbers, all are included. So for real numbers, we use these brackets. And if we know integers or natural numbers, then we use curly bracket with comma sign. I hope you got it. Next question. So here also, this is the question. 3x plus 8 is more than 2. So notice there is no equal sign. It is just a greater sign. Okay. So 8 will go there. So 3x is more than 2 minus 8. So it will be 3x is more than minus 6. So 3 will go other side. Correct? We can take 3 here. So x is more than minus 6 by 3. It will cancel. So x is more than minus 2. This is the condition. X is more than minus 2. Okay. But now the condition, the A part, they are saying x is integer for the A part. Okay. So for integer, what they are asking? Integer more than minus 2. So if you look at the number line, let me draw it. This is my number line. So here is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And here is minus numbers. Correct? This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So we need to include only integers more than minus 2. So more than minus 2 will be from here to here. Correct? So let me write down. So x will be minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 4 and that's it. So if we are taking only integers, remember we write it with curly brackets and with comma. Correct? B part they are asking real. What they are asking? Here they were asking integer, now only real numbers. So real, what we will do? More than minus 2. I am sorry guys. I'm really sorry. In minus 2, let me correction. More than minus 2 instead of less than minus 2. Remember, we need more than minus 2. So more than minus 2 will be this side, not left side, right hand side. So more than minus 2 will be, first number will be minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2 and so on. So before writing solution, be careful what is the sign. Please don't do the mistake that I just did. So it is greater than minus 2. So we will be going this side. I hope you understood. Now we will take real numbers. So we have to take all the real numbers more than minus 1. So what we will do? It will be minus 2 to plus infinity and with curly bracket, or we should take minus 2 with these brackets. Which one will be correct? We have to take this one, because for real numbers we use closed brackets. In my first video I have explained the meaning of these brackets. The meaning of these brackets is minus 2 not included, correct, and infinity means this, the first and last number not included. These are called open brackets. Infinity not included. So what is included? All numbers in between are there. All numbers in between are included. All numbers in between are included. All numbers means all real numbers will be included. All decimal numbers, fractionals, everything will come. Okay. So this is also known as open bracket. I have explained in my first video clearly that for real numbers we use open brackets where first and last number is not included, because we are not just supposed to take minus 2. Okay. We want more than minus 2 and we want less than infinity. Correct? We want more than minus 2 but less than infinity. We want these numbers. That's why we use open brackets. Okay, we will remember that. Let's see next one. Now question 5 says 4x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 7. And in this question they are asking x is real. Real numbers which includes everything. Okay, decimal, all possible decimal and fractions. So to solve it, 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. Okay, x we will collect one side and number on one side. So it will be 4x minus 5x if it will come this side, less than 7 was already there and this 3 will go here, minus 3. Okay, so what is 4 minus 5x is minus x, less than 7 minus 3 is 4. Now I told you to solve inequality with minus x is difficult. So we can change it. This minus I am trying to make plus x. So this 4 will become minus 4. Okay, and when we switch sign on both sides, this less than will become more than. That's how inequality changes, correct? So let me explain again what happens. If you have minus a is less than plus b, and if you want to switch the signs, you want to make plus a this and you want to make plus minus b, so this less will become more than. So remember, that's how inequality changes. Okay, similarly, if you have plus a is less than minus b, for some reason you wanted minus a and you wanted plus b, both sides you are switching signs, plus is becoming minus, minus is becoming plus. So what will happen? This less than will become greater than. So that's how the inequality changes. So here that's what I did. Minus became plus and plus became minus. Correct? So this is my answer. So on a number line, we need a real solution. So on a number line to show, we will take a straight line which is going from minus infinity to plus infinity, and numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here number, what do we need is more than minus 4. So where is minus 4? More than minus 4. Here is the minus 4. And we need more than this. So we will put an arrow in this direction. More than. So this is the solution. Is it clear? Why are we using hollow circle? Hollow circle when the 4 is not included. In that case, we use hollow circle. Okay, this is one method. This method is called number line method to show the solution. Another method is, because we are supposed to show the real numbers only, correct? Real numbers. So we will use open bracket. This is called open bracket or parenthesis. Starting from minus 4 to plus infinity. Everything is included except minus 4 and except infinity. So this is my solution and this is my solution. Fine. So that is how we can show. Let's see next question. So here is question number 6, and here is also they want that x is real. Let's start the solution. Collect x terms one side, okay, and 7 go other side. So 3x minus 5x is more than minus 1. See, 5x is going other side. It will become minus. Minus 1, this will become plus 7. Okay, this is going this side. What is this minus this? Minus 2x is more than, this is what? 6. Correct? So, I am more comfortable with x positive. So, what can I do? I can change sign. I am trying to make it plus 2x. So this will also switch. If we switch sign one side, other side automatically switches in inequalities. Okay, and this greater will become less than. So be careful. I am changing inequality sign here. Be careful. Here it was more. Here it is less. Correct. Now I am comfortable. This 2 will go other side. So x is less than minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. So x is less than minus 3. This is the condition. To show the solution on number line, what we will do? We will make a number line minus infinity to infinity, right? And we will show it starts from center is 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, and this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. We need less than, be careful, less than minus 3. So it will be left side. So minus 3 is not included, hollow, and it is, the arrow will go this side. Be careful, arrow will go this side. Understood? So this is my solution. I hope you understood. Another way of writing the real number is this. X is equal to, let me write down, x is equal to less than this. So it will be minus infinity to minus 3, but these two are not included. Correct? Minus infinity and minus 3 not included. Everything in between, every decimal number, every fractional number will be included. So this is my answer. Either this or this. Let's see next question. So this is also pretty simple question. Here x is real. If you find you are comfortable, please increase the speed at YouTube, which gives you an option. You can just increase the speed and go through it. Okay. So remember, it is less than and equal to. So let's simplify. 3x minus 3 less than equal to 2x minus 6. Yes or no? So what we will get here is, collect x terms one side and this side. So 3x minus 2x is less than minus 6. This will come here plus 3. Right? So what is this minus this? X less than equal to minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. This is my condition. So let me show the answer on a number line. Let me make it again. On a number line, how will I show? This is my line, correct? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here will be minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. This is my entire number line. Correct? This is entire. Out of this, I need only less than minus 3 and equal. Remember, equal is also there. Remember, this is also there. So minus 3 select here. Minus 3. So I need to take minus 3 as well and all the numbers below. Remember, less than means below this side. Okay. So this is my answer. And 3 is included. So another way of writing answer is minus infinity, because this is minus infinity, to minus 3 and open brackets. For real numbers, we don't use curly brackets. Okay. Next question. This is also pretty simple. They are saying x is again real. So we will take care of it. Let's multiply this inside. So it will be 3 to the 6 minus 3x is more than equal to 2 minus 2x. Correct? 2 minus 2x. So what will happen? I want to collect x terms one side and numbers one side. Correct? So minus 3x plus 2x, this is going here, greater than equal to, this is 2, and when 6 will come this side is what? Minus of 6. Correct? So this is minus x is more than minus 4. See here. I am not comfortable with minus both sides. So I am making it plus x. So this will automatically change plus 4. If we are switching sign both sides, what will happen? This greater than equal to will become what? This will become less than equal to. So here you have to be careful. Correct? Less than. Now we can show our answer on number line easily. So this is my number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. This is say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, then minus 3 and minus 4. Correct? So we need 4 and less. So equal matlab 4 is included. 4 is included. And less. Less means left side. Be careful. It has to be left side. Okay. So this is my answer. Or if I want to show on using brackets, so it will be minus infinity to 4. See here 4 is included. I think I did some mistake in last question. There also included means if something is included, then I have to use a square bracket. Please make correction. In last question I forgot. In question number 3, the actual answer should be, guys, I'm really sorry for it. And question number 7, the actual answer should be minus infinity to minus 3, and minus 3 is included. Why? Because there was a minus 3, because this is called including bracket. This is including bracket, means when minus 3 is also included, then we have to use this square bracket. Here 4 is included, that's why I am using this, that 4 is also included. 4 is included, correct? I have given these details in first video, please go through that. Next question. So here is question 9. Okay, so there are so many x terms. So first let me simplify it. Let's take LCM. LCM is 6, okay, for all three. So it is 6x plus 3x plus 2x is less than 11. So this 6 can go there. So 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11x by 6 is less than 11. Correct? So this will go there. So 11x is less than 11 into 6. This 11 can go down clearly, or I can divide by 11 both sides. So I am getting x is less than, this is cancelling 6. It was a piece of cake question. Less than 6. So there is no equal to sign. So on number line, how will it look like? Let me write minus infinity to plus infinity. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here there will be some negative numbers, say minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So we are looking for 6 and less. Be careful. So 6 is not included and less than matlab it will go on the left side. So this will be my answer. Another way of writing answer is x is equal to minus infinity, the curly bracket. Let me draw it again. The curly bracket minus infinity to 6, and 6 is not included, infinity is not included. So there will be, for real numbers, what do we use? Square bracket. So minus infinity to 6 and open bracket minus infinity to 6. If 6 is included, then we will use square bracket. But here 6 is not having any equal sign, so I will just use open bracket. Okay. See you in next video. Bye everyone.